Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We are a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. For an age, us scale modelers have been waiting for Airfix to come back to us with an updated and refreshed brand new Airfix Club. And they've been promising it now for, I think it was 3 years. They closed the forum, by what I gather, so you couldn't join. And then on June the 24th, this announcement came up on Twitter saying it's coming very soon. Watch for the announcement on Friday. It was the Airfix Club. They have been saying over the past few months that it's getting closer and closer to the day when they announce it.
I don't believe us!
But then we were living in a bit of hope, because on the 25th, lo and behold, they then gave us a time. It was 12 PM UK time. So all of a sudden, it was then bang, straight on the announcement. We are pleased to announce the new 2020 Airfix Club. Go to our website, and to find out more, click this link.
Hooray! Hooray!
And they put out a picture on that day of what you would basically get inside the box, and also there was a link to their workbench blog which explained what was going to happen with it. So nipping over across, we'll go to the website. There is the Airfix Club website. There's on the banner there, it clearly showing you Airfix 2020, join now. And so on the website, basically the top was saying the Airfix Club. You scroll down, join our official club today, and there it is. The 2020 Airfix Club is now open. What a crazy year it has been so far. Through all of this, we at Airfix have been busy creating a new club for the best modelers in the world. That's us. We're here. We have now 2 levels of club. Standard, which gives you a great welcome pack, including a membership card, Airfix Trolley coin, and also the passport. And for the Plus members, they also receive the Airfix Nakajima B5N2 Kate. Or yeah, Kate, it's not KT. And the flying hours have changed. If you're one of the first 1,000 members, you'll receive a special book. It's the copy of the complete Airfix artist and kit list, 6th edition, and it's going to be released at $6.99 later on in the year. Scrolling down even more, you then see what basically is going on. Here in Margate, we've developed some exclusive offerings just for members. Buy some of these delightful tins with some of our most famous kits printed on them. This and much more await the new 2020 Airfix Club members. So they really are making an effort here. I can't deny it. They are making a real effort. If you look on this screen here, you can see that there's going to be all sorts of paraphernalia coming through. But I'm going to show you all this anyway, because I have actually got the kit arrived last week, a week before last, so it took a few weeks to get to us. And just here we have Airfix are proud to support Models for Heroes. It's a cracking charity. They basically get provided models and they give them to help with social development, interaction and well-being. And you can donate your flying hours to this great cause. So if you don't want a model from them, you can send your flying hours in to Models for Heroes. Packages, standard one comes with a membership pack, membership card. Oh, they spelled membership wrong. They're missing an I.
And there it is. Capital I.
They're missing an I. How shocking. Passport, a trolley token, and if you get the Plus membership pack, you get everything that's in the standard, but you will receive a Nakajima pricing. If we just scroll in, so if you're getting the Plus one, it's going to be $24.99. If you're just getting the standard one, it's going to be $14.99. Back across again, if you get the standard, which is the rest of the world, so if you're in a different country, it's going to cost you £34.99, and Airfix Club Plus for rest of the world, what ROW stands for, rest of world, is going to be nearly 40 quid, $39.99. Anyway, let's get over to the workbench and let's see what you get in the box. So here it is. This is the box that you get from the Airfix Club. I have bought the Plus, not the standard. And because I was one of the lucky 1,000 people to buy, I got a special book with it. But this is the box. It comes really, really nice. It's a good sized box. It measures 32 centimeters by 24, so it's roughly A4 size. On the side, there's not much more detail really, as you can see. It's just basically those logos that all the details that they put on their boxes, and on the back of the box is just basically some information. Airfix.com. You've got your links basically for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest and Instagram. Let's turn the box over. Let's open it up. It's a top opening box. Look at that, flat box. And inside we get this. Hang on, break that over. Look at that. Limited edition Nakayima B5N2K. Nice, actually. Very, very nice. Very well presented. Looks like it's a level. It's a 3 skill. And believe you're not going to believe this. There's no flying hour on the box. Oh, no flying hour on this box, baby. This is your freebie. You're not going to get any more hours from us. No, definitely not. That's interesting because I only built the other day a quick build. It was the Audi TT Coupe, the new quick build. Did a video on it, and they didn't have an Airfix flying hour on that one either. So inside the box you get your passport. You put your membership number on there, your address, your postcode, telephone number. Okay. Inside you stick your flying hour tokens inside here, and when it's full up you can then send this away, but you still got to pay the postage and packing. Okay. So as you can see, what you get is the kits come in series. So if you are 16, we'll get you a series 1 or 2. 30 tokens gives you series 3 or 4. 40 tokens give you series 5 or series 6, and 60 tokens give you series 7 to 9. I'm assuming that the 60 tokens is going to be something like that massive Wildcat or Hellcat that they did. Hellcat, wasn't it? The big 1 to 24 scale Hellcat, I think it was. Flying hours can be collected for most Airfix kits and vary depending on series number of the kit. A series number can be defined by the first 2 digits of the code on the box. For example, 02005 is series 2, 06280 is a series 6. That's quite good. And then you have the choice here of 3. Okay, so you can have, please list preferred kits required plus any alternatives and send to the address below. And you send it to that address. Cool. So there's your passport, all sorted. There's your welcome pack, which we'll have a look in a minute. Oh, really? A plastic Airfix trolley token? Not a metal one, it's plastic. And yeah, so that if you next time you go to your Audi to buy your kits at Christmas, like a lot of us did, you can use this to take your trolley in and buy 10 of each. And then you won't get this normally, but this is going to be released this year for £7.99 or £6.99, sorry. And this is the Airfix artist and kit list, and it's just everything in this book. Codes, there you go, everything they've ever done in the last 70 years. It's very well produced, actually. They put that on the back for the Airfix Club. And you can also join the Airfix Collectors Club as well. The subscription for 2020 is £20, and it does include 4 issues of Constant Scale, which is their magazine. 32 pages, include 12 pages of colour. Sounds like the old days when the Sun and the Daily Mirror first went over to colour, wasn't it? And then there's a little bit there at the bottom just saying it was formed in 1994 by a group of like-minded enthusiasts to document the history of and encourage the collecting of the models and toys made by Airfix products and the later companies which owned it. So there you go, there's some information there. So that's going to be released this year for £6.99. And yeah, it's very well, yeah, it's quite nice. It's A4 size, it looks like, but it is absolutely cram-packed. Look at this, loads of it in there. Anyway, here we are, the welcome pack from Airfix Club. Try and fit this all in. Actually, what I might just get rid of this tray. Airfix Club welcome pack inside. You are now officially a member, and we're thrilled that you've joined us. The Airfix team hope you will enjoy being a member of this unique club, which will include a fantastic range of benefits, plenty of unique products. To find out more and see more exclusive treats, head to our website, airfix.com. So you get some bump inside. Oh, that's nice. Some nice little pictures there of kits. And on the back, you have some information there. Customer service at Hornby. So, look at the bump. There's your benefits, your plus benefits. You got that kit with it, which is cool. Oh yeah, and you also receive your membership card separately. And so you also get this, a letter come through a couple of days after you get the pack, which will have your Airfix Club, which is your number. I've hidden mine because I don't want you nicking my flying hours. And then just a welcome letter from Airfix. So there you go, that's that part there. So there's the benefits there. Including this pack, there are some exclusively priced club special products, Airfix tins and storage boxes, and Airfix prints. And a membership, you receive a 3 magazine a year plus a calendar. The first magazine is planned for September, and we'd love to hear from you. So please send pictures of your models, your modelling benches, or anything else relevant to marketing at airfix.com. We get this. Oh, look at that. Keep calm and build Airfix. That looks like a print that you can put in a frame. That's quite a nice poster, that. I like that. Information there about the charity again in the kit. And for us members, we can buy some of this. So you've got like a mini slider tin there with mini mints in. Wow. And you've got your biscuit tins there. Your money box with chocolate drops or with jelly beans. Air 344 is a flat hinge rectangular. I don't know what that is. So I presume it comes with toffees, or you can have humbugs. So they're all there as well. Or you can buy a set of 4 snack tubs. Set of 4 snack tubs. Turn this over and then go to Airfix for the prints. So you can have, these are, I think, if I remember rightly, on the old bagged kits. So just quickly going back to the website, if you want to buy the exclusive products that you are going to be getting by being members of the Airfix Club, you'll have to go to their website and you will go to shop, click down shop, tabletop at the bottom there, and then across you will click on exclusives. Click on exclusives, and here I believe will be all the products that are only available to club members, and you will have to be signed in to see them come up. At the moment they're not there, obviously, because I presume they're still in some sort of manufacturing phase, but there is the place to buy your exclusive products as members of the Airfix Club. So yeah, I sold a few of these as well back in the day. So there you go, and that's really on the back. You've also got these prints as well. So there's 16 prints you can buy, and it's on the discounted for Airfix Club members. So that's it from the kit. And what I will do is do an unboxing of this at a later date. But yes, I got this kit because I paid extra for it, part of the club, and that's it. So there you are. This is the relaunch of the Airfix Club. I can't see a mention of the forum that they once had, so whether they're going to allow us back in if we're members, I don't know. But if I hear anything, I'll put it out on a video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and also please click that bell so then you'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions and any comments, put them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.